How to get large text size on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get a large text size on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then go down, and now click this one icon, Opera icon, and then click settings, and now go down until you find here this one, page layout, and click on it. And now all you need to do is just find here text size and click on it, and as you see now you can manage text size, then just click large, and as you see now we have a large text size. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.